So for Ananda Scientific, next 6 to 12 months are very crucial. We have a phase 2 trial that is approaching completion. We are expecting interim data from another phase 2 trial targeting PTSD. We plan to file for breakthrough therapy designation for PTSD. This will be followed by end of phase 2 meeting with FDA and start of a larger multi-center pivotal trial by the end of the year. PTSD is a very interesting disease indication. I'm calling it interesting because for the last 25 years, there's not been a drug on PTSD. The disease is multifactorial in nature. It affects multiple clusters in the brain. And the current drug, which is an SSRI, does not provide complete cure or cover all the clusters which are impacted. CBD has that potential. However, CBD struggle with absorption issues and variability, which is what we resolve with our delivery technology, which does 4 things. 1, it's a much more superior PK performance, good absorption. 2, no food effect, dose linear response. And the last but not the least is much lower variation. The coefficient of variation with our delivery technology is very low, and all these things are critical to make it into a pharmaceutical grade drug. And that is why we feel that we have a chance for very high probability of success of using it for PTSD. Just to give you a brief summary on the technology which was invented at Hebrew University in Jerusalem by Dr. Nissim Ghati, who also happened to be on the Nobel Prize Committee for Chemistry in 2016. This technology, if you look on your right, the CBD API is loaded into nanodomains, which have low interfacial tension and very high thermodynamic stability. It makes this product very stable, and we have got data for 4+ years of stability. These APIs are loaded into softgel capsules. Once a subject takes the capsule, gets into the stomach, it inverts into API delivery structures. We get approached all the time for our drug master file access and the drug product, and we try to work with investigators who are experts in the disease indications, and their hypothesis is shared by our clinical team. But once we get going on these trials, we make sure that we provide complete support so that these trials are done at finest GCP standards. Talking about our clinical development program, it's a 3-tiered program. Tier 1 is PTSD, for which we have got 2 well-powered, double-blind, placebo-controlled trials in progress as we speak. Second tier is social anxiety disorder. We are expecting proof of concept data by the end of this year. And in third tier, we have got addiction projects, smoking cessation, opioid use disorder, as well as childhood epilepsy. We have built a clinical development infrastructure whereby we manufacture at full GMP levels. We have got our testing developed, which are ICHQ2 compliant for the drug product, and we have a regulatory team that has been planning a regulatory strategy.
The only other approved CBD product on the market is Epidiolex. And yes, that is a generic formulation of CBD. And incidentally, it was sold for nearly $7 billion and sells nearly $1 billion in the market. But it is only for an orphan indication. We're pursuing a full FDA approval for a very large unmet medical need, PTSD. And secondly, we have composition of matter patents in 35+ countries covering our formulation. And secondly, we have use patents for all the indications that we are pursuing.